In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website using HostGator. This process is essential for anyone looking to establish an online presence, whether you're starting a personal blog or launching a business website. We'll walk through each step so you can be up and running smoothly and confidently in no time. Let's begin by choosing the right HostGator hosting plan that fits your needs. HostGator offers a variety of plans tailored to different requirements, from basic personal blogs to more complex business sites. Take a moment to consider your website's purpose and expected traffic before deciding. If you're just starting out, a basic plan will likely suit your needs and can always be upgraded as you grow. Once you've selected the perfect hosting plan, it's time to think about your domain name. You have the option to register a new domain through HostGator or use an existing one if you've already got a domain name you're fond of. Keep in mind that your domain name is essentially your online address, so you'll want it to be memorable, relevant, and easy to spell. Now, it's time to log into your HostGator customer portal. This portal is your control center for managing your hosting account and domain settings. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access cPanel. The cPanel is where all the technical magic happens, but fear not, as HostGator makes it user-friendly, especially for beginners. With cPanel open, it's time to bring your website to life by installing WordPress or using the Website Builder tool. If you're not familiar with coding and want a straightforward drag-and-drop solution, the Website Builder might be your best choice. However, if you're looking for extensive customization options and a robust platform, WordPress is the way to go. WordPress powers over 30% of the web, so you'll find plenty of resources and support available online. After installation, it's time to customize your website. Themes and plugins are your tools for this transformation. Themes will dictate your site's overall look and feel, while plugins can add functionality such as contact forms, security features, and SEO optimization tools. HostGator offers a wide selection of both, allowing you to tailor your site to your exact needs. Finally, with your site customized to your liking, it's time to publish your website and start creating content. Publishing makes your website visible to the world, and now your creative journey begins. Regularly update your website with fresh content to keep visitors engaged. Whether you're sharing blog posts, selling products, or providing valuable information, the goal is to establish a trusted online sanctuary for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your website with HostGator. This is just the beginning of your online adventure. Remember, the online world is ever evolving, so always be open to learning and adapting. Thank you for joining me.